So there we go. You can check that there's look like it is epidermoid cyst near to eyebrow. You can check the pressure on it up. You can check the color up. The antibiotic, it's like a cheese. So trying to remove the pressure on it. And there's a gloves. There's a perfect way. You can check it out slowly, slowly. Come on, come on. It's already out at the top, so just trying to squeeze it. And the patient is really young, not as old. The skin is little bit hard, but let us see that she's having good skills. So let us see. You can check it out. That's really too much. Wow, that's a great idea, man. Wow, check it out how she's trying to clean it out. That's really great. Oh wow. Wow, that's really great, man. So let us see, is there more or it's finished? So let us see. She's trying to clean it the part and trying to squeeze it again. Press the area and directly it comes out. So hope so it will get cleared. So please stay calm and just watch how the way she's trying to squeeze it out and take it out. The pus, wow, that's really amazing. You can check it out. It's finished, I think so. Yeah, so let us check. She's trying to clean again. Come on, is it there? Oh wow, it's coming right now directly again. Oh, I thought it's finished, but that's really unstoppable, man. That's really lovely. I really love it, the way she's trying. She's having great skills. Wow. You can check the inflammation. Whoa, that will be a painful, man. Oh, you can check like something bowl or something, you know. Wow, coming out of the skin like some balls are coming, small dots. Oh yeah, there we go. You can check she's trying to remove it. Wow, that was really great, man. Oh, it's finished, man. Just leave it. Oh my god, I think it's going to be finished. But she's trying his best to remove it. Oh, that's really gross, man. Oh, so that was really great and amazing. So please do not forget to subscribe my channel, Dr. Pops.